Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Raghunath. Yes. So, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
You are fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, where are you sitting now?
Sir, now I am in Hyderabad in my room only.
Okay. So, you are continuing with the job.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So, today we have three more panel members. They are experts in their own field. So, you will get a lot of questions, from different angles. So, last time also you gave a very good interview. There is no doubt about it. So, first you introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you, sir. Myself, RAGHUNATH DASS. I am from Keonjhar, Odisha. I have completed my graduation from Dharanpur Autonomous College, Keonjhar, and my master's from IIT Kharagpur. After then, I was preparing for GATE and GSI. So recently, I joined NRSC as a research scientist. So I am working on a landslide project.
Landslide project.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, did you get any area or particular area, or you just working in general?
Sir, actually, our work is to satellite-based integrate how landslide are occurring and give an alert system. So it
Okay,
is a joint program between NRSC and GSI. So we
okay,
are working regional-based landslide alert management.
okay. So, which are the most landslide prone areas in India?
Uh, Sir, mainly landslide have been occurring in Himalaya region. Mostly, we will say districts like Darjeeling and some northeastern states. In case we are also getting landslide in Kerala also. So we are working now in these three regions.
Okay. So, what is the cause of landslides?
So there are actually many factors which causes landslides. First one is rainfall, and another one is susceptibility of the area, which includes everything starting from geomorphology, then how is the valley type, and another one is the particle movement of the area. But we will say velocity type. We use time series analysis to
Mhm,
measure the particle movement.
mhm.
And
So,
another one,
which rock is more susceptible landslide?
uh, the rocks which are generally unlithified, uh,
Okay,
like younger ones, younger
okay,
sedimentary rocks, they are more susceptible to landslide.
okay, okay. Now, suppose I ask you compare between Deccan Trap areas and Eastern Ghat areas, which is more susceptible?
Uh, Deccan Trap and Eastern Ghats.
Yes.
The Deccan Traps are basically basalts, and Eastern
Yes.
Ghats we generally get Khondalite and Cordurite. So
Yes.
both are strongly lithified, but
Yes. Which is a younger topography.
younger is Deccan Trap.
So if the topography is younger, then slope must be very steep.
Yes, sir. So there
Slope
may be
must
a
be
chance of getting landslide in Deccan Trap as compared to Eastern Ghats.
Eastern Ghats. And Eastern Ghat is a mostly peneplain area, except few areas, like Ganjam
Yes,
or
sir.
those areas, where you get frequent landslides. But in Deccan Trap, you will get landslides almost all along its western coast.
Yes, sir.
Pune, Mahabaleshwar, all these areas, because of the
Yes,
younger topography. Faults are very steep.
yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, Himalaya also. Not
Yeah,
only the
Himalaya
topography is
are
younger,
getting
but
more.
sediments are.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay. So now let us go out of your own work. If
Yes,
I
sir.
just ask you, what are different terrains of South India?
Uh, Different terrains.
Yeah. Suppose I ask you, start from Mahanadi or the Godavari Rift Valley. What are the terrains that is lying south of Godavari Rift Valleys?
Like, sir, Kratons,
Yeah, Kraton is also one terrain. Mobile beds are also terrain.
uh, to the south of
Platform also terrain.
we will get Dharwar Kraton. Then
Okay,
to the south of Dharwar, we will get Palaghat Kaveri Sewer Zone. And
okay,
we will also get Pandian Mobile Belt to the south of India.
Okay. Kadapa?
Yes, sir. Kodappa we will also get, but it will be to the northeast of Dharwad.
Yeah, but south of Godavari Rift Valley, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is the difference between these three terrains?
Like Dharwad, Kadapa, and Pandian
Southern
Mobile.
granulite terrain. Yeah, Pandian mobile belt.
Sir, Kadapa is generally proteic basins, and Dharwad group, Dharwad Cotton is the basement of the area, and about Pandian Mobile Belt. Mobile belts are generally highly metamorphosed region, which are formed at the boundary of two cratons.
Okay. What is the age?
Age difference, Dharwan is the older, and sir, I
Tell the
accurately
age. Tell the age. What is the age of Dharwar? Older means what?
3.2 billion years approach.
3.2 or 3.7? Which is the oldest unit in Dharwar? Sargur?
Sir,
Gurur Nice. They are 3.4, 3.5 billion years. What is the age of Katapa?
Kadapa is the proteic.
Some figure you should give me.
Yes, sir.
1.8.
1.8 billion.
1.8 billion year. How about the Pandian mobile belt?
Sir, Pandian will build, I don't know.
1.8.
1.8.
To Pan-African 0.5. There are edges. Okay. So now I will just pass on to the next panel members. Okay. Okay. Pradeep, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, Raghunath, you are looking very tense.
No, sir.
Is everything okay?
Yes, sir. Due to the weather change, feeling a little cold. Otherwise, everything's fine.
Okay, okay, sir. So, have you ever visited to Golconda Fort?
Yes, sir. I have visited to the Golconda Fort.
So, did you find something amazing in the architecture of Golconda Fort?
Amazing architecture like the step-like structures to the top of the Golconda Fort.
Yeah, any scientific magnificence there? Did you find there?
No, sir. I haven't recognized there.
Okay, then next time go with a guide there. Okay.
Sir, will you
Next
recall it?
time go with a guide.
Okay,
He
sir.
will tell you. Okay, so Golconda Fort is made up from which type of rock?
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
Okay, so let's suppose you had to compare between the rock temple made up in north and south, right? So what are the difference in the rock type you will observe?
From compared with the north and south.
Yeah, north and the south India.
Okay.
Like, have you ever visited to Red Fort?
Yes, sir.
So which type of rock is there?
Red Fort is red sandstone.
Okay, and any other temple in south, like Meenakshi temple?
No, sir. South I haven't visited, but
Okay, okay. So as you are working related to landslide, have you heard the news of subsidence occurred in Josimath last year?
yes, sir. I have heard the news of last year sinking of Josimath.
Can you tell me what was the possible reason for that?
Uh, Sir, since the Josimath area lies in the Himalayan region, so it is basically younger sedimentary rocks, and the slope of that area is also very high, so which lead to landslides. and there are also over construction of buildings which cannot sustain that area, so for which they are subsidizing. And this is the main reason: steep slope and over construction of buildings, and the younger sedimentary rocks.
Okay. So Raghunath, you may know that GSI is now focusing on the exploration of critical and strategic minerals. Tell
Uh,
me the name of few critical and strategic minerals.
Sir, last year GSI noted 30 critical minerals which they are mainly focusing. Uh, they are mainly niobium, tantalum, then strontium, zircon. These are the basically critical minerals which GSI is looking for.
Okay. So tell me what are rare metals?
Rare earth elements.
No, rare metals.
Rare
Rare
metal.
yeah.
Sir, is it in terms of occurrence?
Yeah, a group of or set of mineral are known as rare metals. Yeah, it is somehow related to the occurrence. Any guess?
Mm, sorry, sir. I don't know regarding a rare metal.
Okay, then tell me why rare elements are called rare?
Uh, I think this is not because of they are not for, occur in a cluster from there may be occurrence of in a scattered region, like there may be the tonnage grade may be very low. That's why we call it a rare metal. Not like iron where we will get 30%, 40% of iron. It may be in parts per million or some ounce per ton.
Okay, this may be the reason, but the main reason is that because extraction of these elements are very tough. That's why they are called rare.
That's one point also. Extraction is very tough.
Okay, so let's suppose you are appointed in a project related to rare earth element and you have to do sampling. So what will be your approach if you are collecting sample for rare earth element? Because as you may know that it's very difficult to see rare earth element by naked eye, right?
Yes, I think there may be some indicators are there, like some surface indicator or some geobotanical indicators, like some vegetation is there, so we can get like this way vegetation is indicates some presence of some rare earth elements or some minerals.
Okay. So Raghunath, as you have done MSc from IIT Kharagpur.
Yes, sir.
So is IIT Kharagpur railway station is still the longest railway station of our country?
No, sir. It was the longest railway station, but it was now changed to Gorakhpur railway station, which is the longest.
Yeah, correct. So why IIT Kharagpur railway station is famous for,
Uh,
apart from its length?
mm,
Haven't you see the poster of MS Dhoni there?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. For MSN, yes, he was working at IIT Kharagpur railway station.
Yeah. So Raghunath, my last question is, tell me the difference between stress and strain.
Sorry, sir. Can you recall, please?
Difference between stress and strain.
Stress and strain.
Yeah.
Uh, Sir, stress is the force which we apply to a metal or to an element. Strain is the effect that the rock or the element shows.
Okay. What is the meaning of strain analysis?
Uh, Strain analysis. I think to know the which type of strain it is showing.
Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you, Raghunath. So this
Uh,
is from my side. Now over to other.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Raghunath.
Yes, sir.
So you are going to join GSI. Can you tell me about the missions of GSI?
Sir, there are 5 missions of GSI. Mission 1 includes baseline geoscience correction, and mission 2, which includes natural resource management, and mission 3 includes geoinformatics, and mission 4 includes geohazard studies, which also landslide also, and mission 5 is the training and capacity building.
So if there would be a chance given to you, in which mission will you want to work?
Sir, I will prefer mission 4 because since I am working in landslide hazard assessment, so it will be opportunity for me to work in that area specifically.
But the ways of working of an RSC and GSI would be completely different. An RSC, you are going to field work?
Yes, sir. There will be a fieldwork since we joined recently, so we are not going for fieldwork. Next year, in January or March, we will definitely go for fieldwork to validate the data.
In which area?
Sir, maybe I will be going to Kerala because now I am working in Western Ghat region. So now we're currently focusing in 3 regions. I am focusing on Western Ghat region, and 2 another colleague, they are focusing on Northeast region, basically every states, and some Northwest Himalaya region like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh region. So
Okay, Himachal Pradesh region. So what kind of data you are going to collect?
Sir, actually, the data have been collected by state regional center only. We have to validate the data. Suppose they are giving us some data, like in some region there may be a landslide occurring. We check the actual data by seeing the list 4 data of list 4 satellite data. So by validating the data, whether it is correct or not, we will go to the region and verify this.
How you validate the data?
We'll validate.
Hmm?
By observing the landslide.
Yes, sir. Yes. How data validation is done?
Sir, that I don't know. We haven't taught yet.
So,
So now we are working only to mapping landslide, to make a landslide inventory mapping.
landslide in inventory mapping, which software you are using?
ArcGIS and AirDASS. AirDASS we are using for stacking purpose, and ArcGIS we are using to map landslides.
Okay, very good. So what kind of information is being required for creating this landslide inventory maps?
Actually, now we are focusing on pre and post monsoon data. So we require 2 satellite data. One is from pre-monsoon and another one is post-monsoon. And then we will check whether there has been some changes of topography, or then the exposure of some scarp surfaces there. Then we will also check some dam data to check whether it is a slopy region or it's only a plain region. Then we will validate, yes, of course, it is a landslide, because we can get some region like where people have been farming. So in the post monsoon data, we will get the surface, but if the slope is very low, so it will not be a landslide.
So
So
what are the parameters that you are going to consider to create this map? What are the different thematic layers you are going to create? That I am asking.
like a susceptibility map.
Yes, sir.
Now we are only focusing on list 4 data only, and by using susceptibility map, we are making some slope map of that area. Then we are validating.
Okay, and then only slope map is required to create landslide susceptibility map.
No, to create landslide susceptibility map, there are 10 to 13 factors we are considering.
What are
like,
those 10 to 13 factors that I'm asking?
okay, topography, then LULC, then geomorphology of the area, then stream power index, then topographic wetness index. These are the factors which we are integrating to make a subsidiary map.
Geology?
Geology, that geomorphology we are using, geomorphology and LULC, land use land cover map.
Not geology is not required.
I think we are not considering the geology. We are considering the topography, geomorphology, and LULC.
Is that geomorphology map or geology map is same or different?
A geomorphology map considers the river water bodies, but geomorphology includes the terrain map, like which type of basement or which any
Can you
exposure.
repeat what you have said? Can you repeat?
Sir, in geomorphology map, we are using the like river water bodies, sir, if whether there is present or not. And in
Only
geology,
river water bodies, nothing else. What else you show? What are the different geomorphological classes that you represent? On the basis of that, you are going to create this landslide susceptibility map that I'm asking you. What are the parameters? Okay, these are the parameters. First of all, you are not considering geology. That is a very strange thing. How you can't consider the
Actually-
geology of the area. First, this is the mandate.
actually, the landslide subsidiary map has been created already. We are now we are making the landslide inventory mapping by marking the landslides. Then we will validate the data. But I don't know exactly how they have made the landslide subsidiary map. So I will go through this one.
So, what are you doing currently right now?
Right now, we are making the landslide, we are marking the landslide like 2020 landslide inventory mapping we are now doing. So by taking the pre-monsoon data and post-monsoon data, and also taking the dam data of that area, we are checking we are now manually checking whether there may be landslides or not. So after that, there are two more people from geoinformatics. They are making a velocity map, and with integrating rainfall threshold, we are now trying to generate a alert map. Which initially they were using multiplication method by multiplying subsidiary map, velocity map, and rainfall threshold. But it is not working because even if there is high subsidiary, high rainfall, we are not getting an alert. So now we are trying to integrate them with a 3D matrix method.
Okay. So you are going to do this thing. Very good.
Sure.
Okay, so landslide susceptibility map has already been there.
Yes, sir. It has already been created.
It's already been. So do you know how many types of landslide are there? Landslide classification, you know?
The types of landslides. Sir, there are the landslide types have been named in two types. Like there is a prefix and suffix. Prefix we use the type of rock type like rock, earth, but the suffix we use types of flow like flows, then slides, creep. So these two are integrating to give the names of
So
landslide.
flow is a landslide.
No, flow is not a landslide. Where
What are types of landslide? What I'm asking.
types in the sense of
Types, landslide has its own classification, no? Like flow, we have mud flow, soil flow, debris flow.
so that I was saying, like the prefix we are using types of rock like debris, mud, and rock, and suffix we are using the name flow, slide, creep, like just rock flow, then rock slides. These
There
are
are
the
two types basically of landslide. One is a translational, one is a rotational.
yes, sir. That translational, rotational. Yes.
Two types.
Okay.
Do you know what are these? Can you explain them?
No, sir. I haven't go through detail with this. I will go through this.
Okay, no problem. So during which time landslide occurrence is more? Pre-monsoon, during the monsoon, or post-monsoon?
Uh, Sir, mainly we are getting landslide in between during monsoon or post-monsoon region, like between July to September. So these are the months when we are getting more number of landslide. And
Between
sometimes,
July to September. Okay.
uh,
What could be the reason for that?
uh, so because of the same subsidence of the area is very high, and rainfall is the triggering factor, which indicates the landslides. So because of the rainfall, we are getting more number of landslide. Because now I was working in Aizawl of Mizoram. So
I
during
am
May,
asking you why rainfall, how rainfall is affecting, how rainfall is causing more landslides.
sir, rainfall triggers the velocity or the movement of the particle of that area. So which causes landslides. The movement of which triggers the movement of the uh, earth, the soil.
Can you explain it with the help of Moe circle?
Uh, yes, sir. We can explain because when
How?
the rainfall occurs, the it touches the more failure. So when the circle touches the more failure, it fails and the landslide occurs.
So what does water playing a major role here?
Uh,
Do you know in landslide what are the resistant forces?
yeah, for landslide, resistance force are the friction and the gravity and water. These act as the
These are the two main agents. Gravity is the main agent, and water content in the soil or in the rock also facilitates.
yes, sir.
See this thing.
Okay, sir.
See this thing. You know how the angle of critical angle changes, angle of internal friction,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
pore pressure, all these things. See this thing.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this is all from my side. Next to you, sir.
Hello, Raghunath.
Uh,
Okay. Am I audible completely?
yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Raghunath. You must have read structural geology in your BSc MSc time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I just want to ask some basic questions from structural geology. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the index map?
What is index map?
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Can you just tell me what is solid geological map?
uh, no, sir. I don't know about solid geological map.
Okay. Actually, index map, it provides a regional overview.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Of the geological feature, like large scale view. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
solid geological map means it only deals with the solid part of the rock, igneous, metasediment, rock parts. Okay, it does not include the soil parts. Okay, before going to the field, you will get this solid geological map and index map and all these things. Okay, Raghunath, tell me what is photogrammetry in your
Uh,
subject?
Photogrammetry, yes, sir. Sir, I exactly don't know, but it was regarding getting a 3D map of the area.
Okay, actually, it deals with the height.
Yes, sir. It deals with the height.
Okay, from the shadow, from this height, you will know the actual like height of the structure and all these dimension. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Raghunath, tell me why it is very difficult to deform a rock in the ductile erosion as compared to brittle erosion or brittle fault.
Why it is difficult?
To deform a rock in the ductile erosion.
Because of high elastic limit,
High
like
elastic limit. Is there any elastic limit in the ductile? Okay. Because it's in the ductile solution, it is the course in the very high depth. Okay, then there must be a very high confining pressure there.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tell me how a rock deformed.
How a rock differ.
Yeah.
When stress is applied to a rock, it breaks when it crosses its elastic limit.
Is elastic limit. Okay, just tell me uh, what is this elastic limit?
So elastic limit is the limit up to which the rock doesn't break or rupture. So in between the elastic limit, uh, it
Okay.
regain.
I got your point. Okay. You are right. I got your point. Okay. Okay. Okay, Raghunath. Tell me some shear sense indicator.
Yes, sir. There are a mica fish is a shear sense indicator, and another one's uh, like theta type, phi type. This one.
Yeah. There's a porphyroclast. Okay. Theta
Yes, sir.
type, phi type, delta type, whatever. But not just theta type. Okay. It is
Theta we
not
can't
so.
get the shear sense. Theta and phi, but
Okay, Raghunath, can you just tell me what is the difference between a porphyroblast and a porphyroclast?
uh, sir, in porphyroclast, the clasts are mainly in from the mantle or the larger grain. But in porphyroblast, here will it is not relate like in porphyroblast, we will get the smaller grains are not part of the larger one.
Okay, actually, it's porphyroblast is something related to growth. Okay, porphyroclast is something implemented deformation. Is already they are present, but rest of the all grains are grinded and it will become smaller as compared to that resistant grain, and that is known as porphyroclast. Okay. Okay, Raghunath, suppose you are working on the field, okay,
Yes, sir.
and you got some bedding and some cleavage there, okay. Can you just tell me if you are getting a overturn fold, what will the bedding and cleavage relation in the both the limb, like in normal limb and in overturn limb?
Uh, bedding and cleavage. No?
Yeah.
Uh, I think in normal limb, the cleavage will cut the bedding plane like at a steeper angle. And
Cleavage is steep in normal limb, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, I got it. Okay, you are absolutely right. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. You have read metamorphic petrology,
Yes, sir.
so you must have known the PT peak path. Have you read it?
PTT path, pressure, temperature, and time path. Yes, sir.
Okay. Why there is a time there? What is its significance?
Uh, Sir, in metamorphic, when a rock is metamorphosed, so in accordance to pressure and temperature, time marks a factor. Like with time, the deformation, the grade increases. I think in this way, we are taking time as a factor.
Okay, well, that means at a particular time, do the pressure and temperature which reach the same amount, same rise at a particular time, or it is different?
I couldn't understand.
Suppose, suppose the pressure and temperature is there, okay, at a particular level. After 5 minutes, okay, the pressure or temperature will rise in the same manner, same speed, or it is different.
Hmm. In that area.
Yeah, in a normalized way. Okay.
Uh, sir, no idea.
Actually, the temperature will rise slowly and cool slowly.
Okay.
Okay. But pressure will rapidly rise and will also decrease rapidly.
Okay.
Okay. That is the phenomena. And you should refer this as a subduction zone phenomena. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you should read these things. Okay. That is very
Okay, sir.
basic thing they will ask you. Okay. Okay, Raghunath, last one, two questions. Okay. You have read crystallography.
Yes, sir. I have read.
Can you just tell me what is this lattice and motif? What is this lattice and motif?
Uh, sir, I just forgot this.
Actually, lattice is the position. Okay.
Yes.
That it sit. And
Yes, sir.
motif is the atoms that
Yes.
will sit there. When the
Small.
lattice and motif will together work, it will form a crystal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is the thing. Okay. Okay, Raghunath. Okay, tell me. In a monoclinic system, okay. A
Okay.
monoclinic system. As it is name suggests monoclinic, like single incline, okay. Monoclinic. Which section will show the straight extinction?
Straight extension.
Yeah, only one section is there in monoclinic.
Uh, it is BC section.
No, no, no. BC. Yeah, BC.
A
Okay.
is inclined.
Okay. You should tell it's not one not section. It will be better. Okay. Only
Okay.
that section will show the rest of the all the section will show the inclined extinction. Okay. Okay, Raghunath, can you just tell me you are from Odisha, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Recently, a place from Odisha, is nearly Keonjhar, got the Geo Heritage Site. Can you just name it?
Uh, recently,
Recently or whatever, you can tell me.
like
From Keonjhar, there is one Geo Heritage Site. Huh?
Nomira Pilolava, I think.
Nomira Pilolava. Okay. And one more is from Odisha.
Sundargarh Arc,
Okay,
natural arc.
okay. Very good. Okay, Raghunath, this from my side. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Raghunath, fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Still, then you are looking reserved, too much reserved, Try to be little happy, while
Okay.
answering the questions. You gave a very good interview, and you are an intelligent boy. You have a very good educational background. So definitely you will do better this time. Okay, best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, carry on. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.